different classification basis, that is the symmetry, or we studied about the symmetry and levels of organization, whether it is cellular level of organization or the tissue level of organization or organ level of organization. We are going to learn about the diploblastic or the triploblastic type of organization, in which we are going to study about the embryonic layers. Okay, you can see the embryonic layer means first of all we are having only one layer, lekin slowly what happens when the embryo is formed, that time it has got many cells. So these cells are arranged in two embryonic layers. The cells, if multicellular the embryo is formed, then it will be arranged in two embryonic layers, external ectoderm and internal endoderm. So this type, when external endoderm and internal endoderm and external ectoderm is there, then this type of arrangement is called diploblastic animals. They are coelentrates. Okay, an undifferentiated layer, mesoglia, is present in between the ectoderm and the endoderm, and undifferentiated mass of the cells here. Undifferentiated mass of the cells are present. So this is called as mesoglia, is present between the ectoderm and the endoderm. It is in the first one, it's a diploblasty. ठीक है, ectoderm, endoderm and mesoglia is present in between endoderm and ectoderm, but in triploblastic ectoderm is present, endoderm is present, and in between differentiated cells are present, that is called as mesoderm. In place of mesoglia, mesoderm is present. Okay, this was about the diploblastic and the triploblastic organization. Let us study more. Yes, those animals in which developing embryo has third germinal layer, mesoderm, are called triploblastic. They are present in platyhelminthes to chordates. Means up to coelentrates all are diploblastic, but from platyhelminthes to chordates we are all triploblastic animals like this. Okay, next is coelom. Presence or absence of a cavity between the body wall and the gut wall is very important classification. The body cavity means here the inside this portion, this is the cavity which is present. This cavity is called as coelom. Okay, so the body cavity which is lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Animals possessing coelom are called coelomates. Example, annelids, molluscans, arthropods, and echinoderms, hemichordates and chordates. In some animals, the body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm is present as scattered pouches in between ectoderm and endoderm. Such a body cavity is called pseudocoelom, and the animals possessing them are called pseudocoelomates, such as this. Okay, ectoderm, suppose this is ectoderm and it is endoderm. In between, this is lined by the mesoderm. This is lined by the mesoderm inside. It is lined by the mesoderm. So this cavity is lined by the mesoderm. ये pinkish color is mesoderm. So this is lined by the mesoderm. So it is called as coelom. But here what happens? Ectoderm, endoderm. Inside it is endoderm. देखो अलग अलग colors दिया हुआ है to identify different color layers. So this bluish color is ectoderm. Inside this is blackish greenish color, this is endoderm, and inside this is pinkish color is mesoderm. तो दो mesoderm layer के बीच में एक cavity है. This cavity is called as coelom. Outer bluish color ectoderm, inner greenish blackish color endoderm, and in between this is mesoderm, and it is small mesodermal pouches are there here, small mesodermal pouches, and they are lining a cavity. यहाँ पर छोटे छोटे पाउचेस है और वो कैविटीज है. तो ये स्यूडोसिलम है. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट एक्चुअली ये जो जगह है उसको स्यूडोसिलम बोलते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एक्चुअली the spaces, cavities, they are not cavities, and this is they are not lined by mesoderm. Instead the mesoderm is present as scattered. In mesoderm ही छोटा छोटा pouches में टूट टूट के बिखरा हुआ है. ठीक है, मेसोडर्म ऐसे सुंदर से लाइन नहीं किया हुआ है, बट इट इज प्रेजेंट एज पाउचेस. So this is called as pseudocoelom, and the animals possessing them are pseudocoelomates. Aschelhelminthes. Okay, what are the nematodes? They are having this type of Aschelhelminthes. They are having this pseudocoelom. Next is animals in which the body cavity is absent are called acoelomates, where एकदम सीलम ही नहीं है, जैसे कि ये पूरा बंद है, भरा हुआ है. देखो, Platyhelminthes, ectoderm, then endoderm, and then it is, this is called mesoderm. This is completely filled, no cavity. यहाँ एक empty space दिख रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पर कोई empty space नहीं है, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे ये वाला पिंकिश कलर वाला कोई स्पेस नहीं है, तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज acoelomates such as Platyhelminthes. Okay, coelom is not there. Next is segmentation. In some animals, the body is externally or internally divided into segments with a serial repetition of at least some organs. For example, in earthworm, body shows this pattern, metameric segmentation, and the phenomenon is known as metamerism. What happens? Segments है, ठीक है, रेल के डब्बे की जैसे एक सेगमेंटेड बॉडी है, मीन्स एक बॉक्सेस लाइक ऑफ बॉडी, एंड वन ऑर्गन मे बी प्रेजेंट इन more number of segments, so it is called as segmentation. They are with a serial repetition of the some organs such as here. यहाँ पर हम बताते हैं, सपोज अर्थवॉर्म में 23 सेगमेंट्स है, ऐसे करके सेगमेंटेड बॉडी है, इट इज सेगमेंटेड बॉडी. ओके, और यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, सपोज यहाँ से हार्ट शुरू हो रहा है, हार्ट का डायग्राम शुरू हो रहा है, हार्ट का डायग्राम मीन्स हार्ट ऑर्गन शुरू हो रहा है, एंड इट विल एंड अप टू दिस. ठीक है, एक ही चैम्बर में सारा हार्ट कंप्लीट हो जा रहा है ऐसा नहीं है, इट टेक्स 1 to 2 or 3 or 4 चैम्बर्स लगातार. उसके बाद अगर सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर, सेक्सुअल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स आर स्टार्टेड, वो क्या हो रहा है 18-19 सेगमेंट से स्टार्ट हो जाता है, 21 सेगमेंट तक रहता है. फिर 21 से क्या है, एज अर्थवर्म इज एन हर्माफ्रोडाइट, इज हर्माफ्रोडाइट, तो 18 सपोज 18 से लेकर अगर मेल स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो 21 से फीमेल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो 18 से लेके आप 18, 19, 20 मे बी कैरिड बाय द मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स, and after this it may carry the female sex organ. So only one segment will not have one organ, instead one organ may be carried on up to the may be carried by other segments also, repetition. So this phenomenon is called as metamerism. This phenomenon is called as metamerism. ठीक है. Next is notochord. Notochord is a mesodermally, very important. Where notochord is derived? It is derived from mesoderm, rod-like structure. ऐसे भी you have to remember that after later classes, not now, that embryonic development chapter जब रहेगा तब वहाँ पढ़ना होगा कि एक्टोडर्म से कौन कौन सा ऑर्गन बनता है, एंडोडर्म से कौन कौन सा ऑर्गन बनता है, और मेसोडर्म से कौन सा ऑर्गन बनता है. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट नोटोकॉर्ड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द मेसोडर्म लेयर, जो बीच का मिडिल लेयर है उसी से नोटोकॉर्ड बनता है. ऑन द डॉर्सल साइड, what do you mean by dorsal? Every time I'm asking dorsal and the ventral, what do you mean by the ventral side and what do you mean by the dorsal side? देखो, अगर if I'm telling of any अगर हम एक लिजार्ड की बात करते हैं, लिजार्ड, ठीक है, लिजार्ड का मुंह इस तरफ है, लिजार्ड, सपोज वट एवर इट इज आई एम मेकिंग, सपोज ये लिजार्ड है, लिजार्ड का मुंह इस तरफ है, इसके पैर इस तरफ है, तो जो उसके ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है जो हमें दिखता है, लिजार्ड का जो ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है जो हमें दिख रहा है, ठीक है, अपसाइड पोर्शन जो हमें दिख रहा है, दिस पोर्शन, अपर पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड एज वेंट्रल साइड. ओके, दिस पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड एज वेंट्रल साइड, एंड जो आगे दिख रहा है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डॉर्सल. सॉरी, जो हमें